Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have possible price action for Solana on 2022. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, billmindyourcrypto.com, Patreon/mindyourcrypto, or buymeacoffee/mindyourcrypto. You can find all the links in the description box. You can join either of these one. I do not care about it. And of course, you will get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will be able to know exactly when to buy and exactly when sold. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, live trading, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spike scripts for TradingView, and many other benefits. You can cancel anytime you like if you want to, but I do not think that you will regret it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go quickly into price potential on Solana against USDT for 2022. That's why I'm going on the weekly frame. So each candlestick on TradingView represents 1 week of price action. Okay, and what we are going to do right now is I'm going to show you where did we go and have our top. So what we are going to do is we are going to the trend-based Fibonacci extension, go from this bottom right here back on 19 October 2020 to the top back on 17 May 2021 and to the same bottom on the weekly frame. You can see that we found the last trend-based Fibonacci extension level on the default settings on TradingView, the 4.236, this line right here, 260 $USD. Amazing stuff right there from Solana, and of course from the trend-based Fibonacci extension level. If you would like to add more, you could go in here and have more as well. Okay, you could add the 4.764 and so on. Okay, but the default settings were these, and of course this is where Solana stopped, and then we had the downfall. Unfortunately, we had a weekly bearish RSI divergence. That means lower highs in the RSI and higher highs in the price. That caused the problem in Solana as well, unfortunately. But anyway, I think that you rode the trend, the hype train, and we are going to see the next price potential and the next price action for Solana. But first, let's go and see the Solana against Bitcoin chart. And these are the next price targets we can see for Solana against USDT, or against Bitcoin, sorry, the 0.786, the 1 trend-based Fibonacci extension, and the 1.618. Where did I draw my Fibonacci extension from? From the bottom on 26 July, back to the top on 6 September 2021, and 18 October 2021 was the other bottom. We need 3 points, 2 bottoms and 1 top. We go from bottom to top and to bottom to draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension. And here we have this price label. What this price label means, if you multiply this price label with 100k Bitcoin, let's say for example that Bitcoin will be 100k by the time we go there, and Solana could reach potentially the 637 $USD and so on. Okay, so this is what this means right here. If you multiply this price level with Bitcoin's current price, you will get this one. Let's say that Bitcoin was 100k by the time we reach this target right here, then Solana would be on the 637 $USD. We can either go to the 0.2080, 204, okay, 88,204, and we could get like an 800 $USD Solana and so on. Okay, for the time being though, let's go to the next targets and the possible price action for Solana against USDT on the weekly frame. Okay, this is for 2022. Of course, things will get easier if Bitcoin goes above the 69k, but either way we are going to try and find out. We are going desperately to see some very important targets right there for Solana. And what I'm going to do probably is that I'm going all the way from this bottom up to the top. And if you have seen, I have added on my Fibonacci retracement the minus 0.236 and minus 0.382 and so on. These are to identify some important resistance levels when you draw from the bottom to the top. The other thing you can do is draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension, okay, but unfortunately we need 3 points and we need the other bottom as well. So with the Fibonacci retracement we can identify very nicely the two bottoms as well. One bottom, actually the 2 points, one bottom and one top. You can see that we have some important resistance levels. We can even go to 450 Tether USD, but I would be adding here even the minus 0.618. So I would go minus 4.618, sorry, minus 4.618. And you can see where the minus 4.618 is at the 1366. It can go there, okay, it can go above the 1k, but at this moment I think that, and I feel like Solana will be going a little bit further down. We haven't seen the bottom of the bottoms yet, and we can manage to get a little bit further down before we go higher, okay. As for the more short term, let's say that we had a bottom at around 10 January, okay, this bottom. If I were to draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension, I would draw from this bottom to this top and back to this bottom to find major resistance levels and major targets right there. And I would have the 3.618, okay, for the midterm mostly, and the 361, sorry, and the 500 Tether USD for Solana. Yeah, yes, we can go in there, we can go towards the next price targets at the 500 Tether USD. This is more for the mid-term. I think that we might be able to go there and above the 1k, but a more realistic path towards the 1k is first to meet these levels and to have a drawback. Okay, so the 1k we might seen it after 1 year, okay, more than 1 year, but the 500 we might be seeing it more likely in the 2022. Of course, none of these are financial advice, it's just my personal humble opinion. And if you want benefits, if you want to take profits and many more things, then join our monthly subscription. I have the links in the description box, and of course you can find the site in the comment section as well. Be sure to check them out and join us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.